Okay, a continuation from where we stopped. We said web hosting is all about doing what? Putting your web files together on the internet. I remember I was like telling you that the internet is nothing ambiguous, nothing quite spiritual, and nothing quite supernatural. It's just and the internet is just technology working at its peak. Okay, let me put it that way. Technology was working at its peak. These consist of fiber optic cables that communicates across the globe, okay, through a what? A thing, a line. Do you understand? The internet is just a line and nothing different or nothing significant. So I was talking about you using an internet enabled device such as your phone or your laptop to connect to what? ISP. The ISP and the internet service provider, they connect you to those web servers. Alright, so when you're being connected to those web servers, as you make an inquiry to type about something, let me say any website, it now immediately sends your information. The ISP, remember I said that in the beginning of this, the ISP immediately sends it routes your information to a web server that has that domain name. Do you understand? So that is all about web hosting. So we will be hosting our what? Some of those portfolios we've done, those little projects we've done. Okay, let me not call it portfolio in this. Okay, let me call it little projects we've done. Okay, those beginning projects. So we will be hosting them, we will be making them available on the internet. So in other words, what you've been doing on your own end so far has been a local hosting. What do I mean by local hosting? Is a hosting between you and your computer. Nobody can access it. Nobody from anywhere can access it. It's just hosted locally between the IT enabled device, ICT device you're using. Okay, if you're using a tab, it's going to just be accessible to you alone. You can't share it to others, and others can't access it. But the moment we take it to the web, it's available on the internet. Anybody, anywhere can access it. So in this video, you'll be getting deeper into doing what? Hosting your projects online. Okay, and then we'll be using for that reason we'll be using GitHub. GitHub has been one of the popular repository for web files, projects. Okay, it's just like a note or uh, you can learn from it too, because there are other advanced developers you find and you learn from their works and track how. It's just like a repository. How will I call a repository? A repository is just like a place that you store something. Okay, like in this our case now we are storing what? Web files. So GitHub is a repository for doing that, not just for only web files. If depending on the kind of skill you choose, you can use GitHub to do what? To store your projects there. Okay, so right away, if you don't have a GitHub account, you need to do what? I already have a GitHub account here, so I would not be creating any account on this interface. Yeah, so let me create an incognito. Let me get into an incognito mode. And then, although I will not be creating this account, I just want to show you how to create a GitHub account. Let's go to github.com, or like on my screen, github.com. All right. So you hit the enter button. When you click on the enter button, you're going to locate the, the right section of your screen. Okay, the way you're pointing, the way you're looking at it. So and you click sign up. Once you click sign up, you enter in your email somewhere. Okay, yes, in this place, this is going to pop out. You fill in your email. So you can fill in your email as okay. um, Let me use my email.com. So I'm not going to be creating this account because I already the IP address of my system is on the GitHub server. Okay, so creating two accounts in one with one IP address might be a bit not advisable at the moment, but I'll guide you through the steps. The moment you've entered your email here, click on continue. You create your password, you click on continue, you follow the process. I don't think there's anything difficult. Okay, let me just try and create this account. Since I'm using an incognito mode, I'm not sure my IP address will reflect on their server. It might reflect as encryption. So 1, 2, 3. So for those who are just new to creating a GitHub account, after that you need to click on continue. After that, please make sure don't forget your password. It's enter in a username. What should be our username? Let's call it webdev account. Okay, at least the web development academy should have what a GitHub account, so we can do that on this. Let's click continue. Let's see the prompt is going to show us. Continue. What's going on? Continue, bro. Okay, this process is not a difficult process. All right, so I just feel that right now okay, let me repeat this process again. At gmail.com. Okay, continue. Okay, continue. Web dev account. Web dev account. Let me put an E here. Okay, account $. Guys, I'm sure you're following me, right? I'm just trying to create a GitHub account, and then $. Here. So let's hit the continue. Username may contain only alphanumeric characters. Okay. Account. Let's put it at D and let's hit the continue button. It said what? Email preferences, receive occasional product updates. Okay, if you like to receive updates from them, no problem. Click continue again. Say verify your account. Let's begin. Verify your account. Okay, for them to say I should verify my account, I need to solve this puzzle. Okay, whatever puzzle, let's solve it. Okay, let's take this in the direction of the hand. I think in the direction of the hand it goes this way. So submit this. Another one again. Let's click this in the direction of the hand. And the direction of the hand goes this way. Submit. So definitely you'll be given all these little simple tasks to do. Let's twist this in the direction of the hand. In the direction of the hand it goes this way. Is it this way? Watch this angle. Yeah, it goes that way. I think it's very fine right now. If this video stops, I'll continue from the next video. From here, you will definitely be sent a code to your mail. Once you pass this place, just head back to your mail, verify your account, and then you are good to do what? You are good to go. So in other words, I'll be going back to my GitHub account. Okay, let me just complete this process for those who are entirely new to the system, because there might be some who will find it a bit difficult to navigate through. Let me get into my mail right now and see the code they sent. Okay, I usually don't like to access one domain from one device if I am accessing the domain with separate account from another device, I should be able to